Hello everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be cooking funeral pasta dish. Alright, I've got my rotini boiling away for the next 7 minutes. We're going to start by getting the peppers going. Sprinkle our seasoning over it. And once those cook up for a little, I will be adding in my tomatoes. Our block of cream cheese. Next I'll be pouring in my milk. The Velvetta cheese. And we're going to let that thicken up into a nice creamy cheesy sauce. And finally, I'll throw in the chicken nice breaded up. And the last step will be to add the pasta into our cheese sauce. Next step will be for me to put our pasta mixture into a casserole dish. Alright, the casserole is ready to put into the oven, and it's going to go in at 350 for the next 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, casserole is done. It got a little bubbly, but that's okay. Sometimes, misjudge those dishes. But the best part's here. We're going to dish some up and try it out. So, I'll be right back. Okay, we got some dished up, and let's try it out. Well, I'd say funeral pasta casserole is really good. Very, very cheesy. That's probably where the funeral part comes from later. It's very, very different from its brother, the funeral potatoes, which are also really good. But I'd probably make this again. Modified maybe a little. Maybe use different cheeses. Maybe a nice Gouda would be good. Overall, I'd keep this in my rotation of food. It's really, really tasty. Dang it, I want some more. So you know what to do. If you like what you saw, have any thoughts on it, or want to make it or anything, leave me a like. Leave me a comment. I'm going to go eat some more. Okay.